tractor honks with a toot-toot point. Chickens dance and the cows all move. Everybody loves the chug-chug too. Muddy chug, chug, splash and play, working hard all through the day. Clean or muddy, rain or sun, chugging on the farm is always fun. One breezy day, we ran outside, and guess what came along for the ride? Zoom goes the wind, it tickled my nose. Let's fly a kite, shouted Lily in her bows. She held the string, I grabbed the tail. Our kite jumped high like a fish with a sail. Fly, fly, up so high. How high can you go, bright butterfly? Twist, twirl, loop-de-loop. Our kite's in a dancing group. Swish goes the tail, swirl goes the breeze. Our kite met a bird near the top of the trees. Hello up there, we all cried loud. It spun like a top, then dipped through a cloud. Over the rooftops, over the moon, sailing our wishes like a balloon. Close your eyes, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Fly, fly, jump and glide. Our kite's on a rainbow ride. Up, down, all around, spinning like a silly sound. To the laughing, running, what a sight, what a day to fly a kite. And when the wind said nighty-night, we tucked our kite in oh so tight.
Come along, let's take a ride around the world far and wide. 7 wonders, oh what a sight, magical places shining bright. 7 wonders, oh what a treat, amazing places, oh so neat. Learning's fun when we explore, let's discover and see some more. The great wall winds across the land, built by many, stone by hand. A dragon's path so long and wide, marching strong with mighty pride. In India stands the Taj Mahal, a palace white, the grandest hall, with marble walls that shine so bright. It glows like magic in the night. Christ the Redeemer stands so tall, arms out wide, he welcomes all. High on a hill in Rio's breeze, watching over the land and seas. Machu Picchu on mountains high, with clouds below and touching sky. Ancient stones with stories to tell, a hidden city that's really swell. Petra's walls in desert sand, a city carved by artist's hand. Pink and gold, a sight so grand, a secret world in a silent land. The Colosseum strong and round, where gladiators once were crowned. A stage of history, bold and brave, echoes of cheers from every wave. Chichen Itza, pyramid tall, where shadows dance along the wall. A Mayan world with secrets deep, where ancient wisdom seems to sleep. 7 wonders so much more.
Playroom, oh what fun. Blocks and dolls for everyone. Trains go chugging round the track. Teddy bears give hugs right back. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Stacking blocks up high, high, high. Watch them tumble, oh my, my. Puzzles clicked in perfect place. Smiling faces full of grace. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Tea time with the teddy bear. Plastic cups and cookies to share. Little robots beep and roll. Every toy plays its own role. Toy. Dressing dolls in fancy clothes. Dino figures strike a pose. Cards and board games win or lose. Together's the best thing to choose. Toys, toys, let's all play. Laugh and giggle through the day. Building castles, racing cars. Imagination takes us far. Indoors or out, we dance and sing. With toys and friends, joy everything.
Plug your stethoscope, come on, let's go. Doctor's coat on, we're ready to show. Check your heartbeat, thump, 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 thump. Smile so bright, feel that jump. Doctor, doctor, what do you see? Helping friends so happily. Bandage here and a sticker there. Doctors show they truly care. Time to check your ears and eyes. Flashlight shining, oh what a surprise. Say ah! The doctor cheers. You're strong and healthy, have no fears. Doctor, doctor, what do you see? Helping friends so happily. Bandage here and a sticker there. Doctors show they truly care. Thermometer high, thermometer low. Doctors know just where to go. Checking tummies, knees and toes. Doctors make us feel like pros. Ouch, a scrape, but don't you frown. Doctors' magic turns things around. A friendly smile and gentle care. Soon you're up and everywhere. Doctor, doctor, what do you see? Helping friends so happily. Bandage here and a sticker there. Doctors show they truly care. So grab your kit and play pretend. Doctors help and hearts they mend. With kindness bright and love so true. Doctor, doctor, we thank you. Put on your apron, tie it tight. We're cooking up some treats tonight. Mix and stir, it's lots of fun. Cookie magic has begun. Chop, chop, sizzle, sizzle, whisk it up. Let's make it drizzle. Make it flip and sprinkle away. Yummy bites are here to stay. Crack an egg and watch it go. In the bowl now, stir it slow. Add some flour, sugar too. Mix it up, a treat for you. Chop, chop, sizzle, sizzle, whisk it up. drizzle. Make it flip and sprinkle away. Yummy bites are here to stay. Crack an egg and watch it go. In the bowl now stir it slow. Add some flour, sugar too. Mix it up, a treat for you. Chop, chop, sizzle, sizzle, whisk it up. Let's make it drizzle. Make it flip and sprinkle away. Yummy bites are here to stay. Tiny chefs with happy smiles, making magic all the while. Cupcakes, cookies, pies, oh my. Let's give baking a big high five. Chop, chop, sizzle, sizzle, whisk it up. Let's make it drizzle. Make it flip and sprinkle away. Yummy bites are here to stay. Cooking's fun for me and you. Lipapaa chefs know what to do. With love and joy, dance and sing. Delicious treats for everything.
Red balloon, blue balloon, flying in the sky. Up so high they wave goodbye. Yellow, green, and purple too, floating gently past the zoo. Bounce, bounce, balloon parade, dancing in the sun and shade. Up they go with giggles bright, coloring the morning light. Tiny hands hold strings so tight. Watch them twirl and take their flight. Balloons swirl in windy play, chasing clouds all through the day. Bounce, bounce, balloon parade, dancing in the sun and shade. Up they go with giggles bright, coloring the morning light. Pop goes one with a little sound. Oops, it's floating to the ground. Don't be sad, there's more to see. A rainbow float for you and me. Bounce, bounce, balloon parade, every color, every shade. Hold on tight and sing along. Balloons make the world a song.
Banana bus is on its way, zooming down the jungle bay. Wheels go round with the sunny cheer. All the animals give a happy cheer. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. Banana bus, wait up for me. They hop on board with giggles and fun, singing loud under the tropical sun. Parrots squawk a rhyming tune, dancing high beneath the moon. Squawk, 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 they flap and glide as the banana bus rolls with pride. Coconuts roll and bounce along as we all sing the jungle song. What a ride, what a day, banana bus. Hooray, hooray.
Come along, let's count and play. We'll sing our numbers every day. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, let's count Now give a cheer. Say your numbers loud and clear. We love counting, yes we do. Next time count with me and you. Yay!
Pop, 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 hear the popcorn hop. Tiny kernels jump and play, poppin', poppin' all the way. March, march, popcorn band, drums and trumpets in your hand. Crunchy puffs all dressed in white, dancing left and dancing right. One pops high, one pops low. Watch them wiggle, watch them go. Spin around and tap your toes. Here comes popcorn in neat rows. March, march, popcorn band, drums and trumpets in your hand. Crunchy puffs all dressed in white, dancing left and dancing right. Popcorn here and popcorn there, poppin' music everywhere. Clap your hands, shout hooray, it's the popcorn parade today.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,